Hey guys, it's Fonzie from DipYourCar.com, and I'm going to walk you through the entire 2018 Dip Your Car Black Friday sale before this sparkler runs out. All the wheel kits are 25% off. All the car kits are 25% off. All the sprayers and spray systems, 25% off. All the accessories for application, car washing, all the application accessories that we have, all the car washing accessories that we have, the dip foam system, pre-dip spray, all of it, all 25% off and free shipping for all orders over $199. This is by far the biggest sale that we've had all year, so if you want to change the color of your car, change the color of your wheels, change the color of your trim, your mirrors, your emblems, anything, now is the time to get the product. It's Fonzie. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Contact our customer service team. Enjoy the Black Friday sale. All the accessories for masking, application, car washes. All the accessories for application, car wash.